Yo, YouTube, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you brand new Amazon promo codes that you can use right now. This is going to be a few of the best Amazon discount codes working worldwide, and you can use to apply in your basket. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial and show you the best Amazon promo codes that you're probably ever going to find. So you've got to go to your internet on your mobile phone. Very important you do this on your mobile. You can see I was trying it on my laptop, but yeah, I recommend you do it on your phone and go to this website, www. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. I'm trying to look through the camera and type at the same time. My eye-hand coordination is all kinds of off. So robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, very important you do go to the correct website. So you can pause the video and copy that down if you need to. When you get to this page, hit that search bar and search for Amazon. And it should pop up as you start typing it, guys, Amazon gift card codes and coupons, and scroll down. Now there is a few different options here, but we're interested in the one at the top, specifically a $100 Amazon promo code. And you can see these promo codes are limited in number. So you're going to want to get on this whilst they're still available. So click on show coupon, and this is a $100 Amazon promo code. And because this is a super desirable code and they are limited, you need to unlock your personal code. You can see it is protected. So tap on that unlock code button. Okay, and now you're going to see this code unlocker. And basically you need to follow the instructions on this page to get your Amazon promo code. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code. Make sure you follow the instructions below each task. So you can see I've got a list of tasks here, and these are mostly mobile games, or you can have some surveys. They may vary depending on your country. But you can see, guys, there is a instruction below each one. So this one at the top says download, install the game and complete Kingdom 4. So this is basically a mobile game. You would click on it and basically download the game and complete level 4. Alternatively, you can choose other ones, but yeah, just make sure you do follow the instructions and fully complete 2 of them. And once you've done that, guys, just simply return to this page and it will reveal your code. Obviously I just skipped forward, but yeah, that is how to get the best Amazon promo codes. Head on over to Robot Coupons and enjoy, guys. Smash the like button if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.